Did you know coconut oil can be used as a makeup remover? I know, right? It sounds kinda crazy, but it totally works. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to this miracle product. Today we're diving into 10 things you never knew coconut oil could do. Honestly, guys, it's like the Swiss Army knife of natural remedies. Seriously, from beauty to health to even some things around the house, coconut oil can do it all. I think a lot of us see coconut oil in the baking aisle and think that's its only purpose. But let me tell you, it's time to grab a jar, or two, because we're about to unlock a whole new world of coconut oil uses that will seriously blow your mind. Okay, so first up we have to talk about my all-time favorite use for coconut oil hair masks. You guys know I'm all about that hair care, and honestly, nothing beats coconut oil for adding moisture and shine. The best part is, it's so simple. All you have to do is scoop out a bit of coconut oil. It'll be solid at room temperature, so you can kind of scoop it, and then rub it between your hands to warm it up and melt it a little. Then just work it through your hair, focusing on the ends. I like to twist my hair up in a little bun, pop on a cute shower cap because nobody wants oil all over the place, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. You can even sleep with it in if you want a super intense treatment, then just shampoo and condition like normal. You might need to wash it twice to get all the oil out, but trust me, it's so worth it. Your hair will be unbelievably soft and shiny. This little trick has saved my hair so many times, especially after bleaching it a few too many times. It's seriously a lifesaver. Next up is a use that's perfect for those of us who are constantly battling dry, chapped lips, especially in the winter. Coconut oil makes an amazing lip balm. Seriously, forget all those expensive lip products with a million ingredients you can't pronounce. Coconut oil is all you need. Just dab a tiny amount onto your lips, and that's it. It's so hydrating and nourishing, and it leaves your lips feeling super soft and smooth. Plus, it's totally natural, so you don't have to worry about any harsh chemicals. I like to keep a little jar of coconut oil in my handbag so I can reapply it throughout the day. It's also great to use before bed to keep your lips hydrated overnight. Okay, so this next one might sound a little weird, but stay with me. Coconut oil can actually be used as a natural deodorant. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties which can actually help to neutralize odor. Now, I'm not saying you should ditch your regular deodorant completely, although you can if you want to, but coconut oil can be a great natural alternative, especially if you're looking for something a little gentler on your skin. You can either just apply a small amount of coconut oil directly to your underarms, or you can get a bit fancy and make your own DIY deodorant by mixing coconut oil with baking soda and essential oils. I'll put a recipe for my favorite one in the description box below. Chapter 4. Oil pulling. Weird name, amazing results. Okay, so have you guys heard of oil pulling? It's an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil around in your mouth for a certain amount of time. It might sound a bit strange, but it's actually really good for your oral health. And guess what? Coconut oil is one of the best oils you can use for oil pulling. The lauric acid in coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that can help to kill bad bacteria in your mouth, which can improve your breath and even whiten your teeth over time. To do it, just put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it around for 15 to 20 minutes. I know, 20 minutes is a long time. Maybe put on an episode of your favorite show or listen to some music. Just make sure you don't swallow the oil. Once you're done swishing, spit the oil into the trash can, not the sink, as it can clog the drain, and then brush your teeth as usual. Chapter 5. The best body moisturizer ever. Okay, let's be honest. Who doesn't love soft, glowing skin? Well, coconut oil can help you achieve just that. It's an amazing all-natural body moisturizer. It's super hydrating and nourishing, and it absorbs really well into the skin, leaving it feeling silky smooth. Plus, it has that amazing coconutty scent that just makes you feel like you're on a tropical vacation. After showering or bathing, just massage a small amount of coconut oil into your skin. You can use it all over your body, from your shoulders to your toes. If you have dry skin, coconut oil can be a real lifesaver. It's also great for soothing eczema and other skin conditions. Chapter 6. First aid kit must-have. Okay, so this next one is a bit of a first aid hack. Did you know that coconut oil can actually be used to help heal minor cuts and scrapes? It's true. Coconut oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to speed up the healing process. If you have a cut or scrape, just clean it with soap and water as usual. Then, apply a small amount of coconut oil to the area and cover it with a bandage. The coconut oil will help to keep the area moisturized and protected, which can help to prevent scarring. I always keep a jar of coconut oil in my first aid kit, just in case. It's also great for soothing burns, insect bites, and other skin irritations. Chapter 7. Are you ready for another unexpected use for coconut oil? Get this. It makes an amazing shaving cream alternative. Seriously, you guys, forget those expensive shaving creams loaded with chemicals. Coconut oil will give you the smoothest shave ever, and it's completely natural. Just scoop out a small amount of coconut oil and warm it up in your hands. Then, apply it to your skin like you would with regular shaving cream. The coconut oil will create a protective barrier between your skin and the razor, which will help to prevent razor burn and irritation. Plus, it'll leave your skin feeling super soft and moisturized. Chapter 8. Makeup removal that's good for your skin. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said you can use coconut oil as makeup remover? Well, I wasn't kidding. Coconut oil is actually amazing at removing makeup, even stubborn waterproof mascara. And the best part is, it's super gentle on your skin, so if you have sensitive skin or you're just looking for a more natural makeup remover, coconut oil is definitely worth trying. Simply scoop a small amount of coconut oil onto a cotton pad and gently wipe away your makeup. You might need to use a few cotton pads to get it all off, especially if you're wearing a lot of makeup. Once you're done, just rinse your face with water or use your regular cleanser. Chapter 9. Give your furniture some TLC. Okay, so we've talked about how amazing coconut oil is for your hair, skin, and even your teeth. But did you know that it can also be used around the house? For real, guys. Coconut oil makes a fantastic furniture polish. It's great for removing dust and grime, and it leaves your furniture with a beautiful shine. Just put a small amount of coconut oil on a soft cloth and rub it into your furniture in a circular motion. You can use it on wood furniture, leather furniture, and even stainless steel appliances. Just be sure to test it on a small, inconspicuous area first, just to make sure it doesn't damage the finish. Chapter 10. The weirdest thing I use coconut oil for. Okay guys, we've covered a lot of ground today, from hair masks to shaving cream, but I've saved the most unexpected use for last. Are you ready for this? Coconut oil can be used to, wait for it, condition your pet's fur. I know, right? It sounds totally bonkers, but it's true. Coconut oil can actually help to improve the health and shine of your furry friend's coat. Just massage a small amount of coconut oil into their fur, avoiding the eyes and mouth, and then brush it out. Your pet will smell amazing and their fur will be super soft and shiny. Outro. You need coconut oil in your life. Can you believe how many amazing uses there are for coconut oil? We've covered 10 today, but there are honestly so many more. It's truly a miracle product. From hair masks and lip balm to natural deodorant and furniture polish, coconut oil is so incredibly versatile. Plus, it's all natural and affordable, which makes it even better. I challenge you guys to try out at least one of these coconut oil hacks and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ways to use coconut oil, so if you have any other tips or tricks, be sure to share those too.